mono eba so kama o mahine kwabna sante na bi ene wona ekeka ka ho nyina na sabrede nungwa Lorry Station and Yabana Yane and Pennyfo Babedi and Commotion so say J. O. Mensa Enterprise. One would have boy a chidom na ya de Kawaji Mediano Free Nungwa Station at the Ebro, a Yan Sanchan and Kwana ye teach you and a Vimis channel. And your bar would tear me, Shassa Wahifio Hobby Bia, and where you come pa from 0242 201 110 0242 201 110. Now, when J. O. Mensa Eddie and come of Vimission in our power, Benya Sanso, 2C Mobile TV. And no, our phone now what download the app. No, baby, I will be a TV programs to be a cost of Benya Pine Ashebi. Sanso, na University of Education, Winneba, distance admission, no, a cost. We are Juma Pasa Tong, Messia so, Kohona, and Periphonium, Common. You are going to boy a chidom, Bribia, Yanya Hokine, APM Monteso, na any amount for Sudi and Como. I heard one more against already. I crado. Young corner, yane, one more any a year and come up. Papa, I'm walk about Badum TV.
Yeah, no.
Now, we didn't say.
A friend near
ye, Papa be. Not me, I had to say.
Yeah, and yet, because your station is there, and yet, Osha, wow, Yana Kekayans, Yansashi, any a year be crowd. But government to know your way about 8 years ago, no baby boo, Hanama Museum, your way. Ye she from into your 9th year money away. Ye she, ABC and a Debbie Alcan, almost your baby, chief executives pass with almost back as on baby, so ye she. Now, Osha has here your 2 toilets, public place of convenience, and then our refuse dump, and then our market, and then our station. No, and refuse dump, no toilet, no. Anytime bia we be bakorila be ba no nyamenkwa na ya oni ye wo ha na toilets na wo hono no eye ma na ewura gata nim countless number of occasions ya abo amane sa obi amfi ye
na me gina ye hefa Nungwa station Nungwa main lorry station wo ya bo sa sese ya yenim de ebe wo na sese so 2 bibi to say station da honom government efforts ka time omo ye na old na 120,000 and omo di eye hanom government na say gas station honom and drivers omo loadu okwan ho we don't understand because me ba me hu cars kura ha
yes say police no any lekman authorities no omo ja na omo ye nhwe han na obi aye de ope o ka
omo nyina gu kwan no ho
omo gu kwan no na omo ye de omo pe
ya da sini mo bi so nka na adwen bi papa ya mo akwa abada Badum TV
oh ya na me de kwesita no teshin wa va chama
okay
me da etiefo nyina asi se ndem so menya akonya we amini adom kasa na ne omu se ye djuma no in fact wo sure adwuma de aba from totally first ya see station pa wo station mu a wo angasa hu se ya station ni na ye lodu fi Tama Accra ena ediba Nungwa sesi ameka se ejina Nungwa station na ne wo mse sesi anu ukon Accra wudu makola no mu a omo paita matachi Nungwa police for no omo cast through ena omo ye eduma ho who can beside rubber we say we so me master police ni e fa ba just ahumuche wo call bishop post office side one opposite your friends what say court one was no udu a me enim ho no a omo lodu tamatachi wa enti in fact mo amba say for the past even 30 minutes mobile car be account me to entry a crime by enti wo sure court no ho no a Tama station entrance no cars need to park more than 1 hour 2 hours can no munya kwankran room because authorities no ebua am so omubua yen nyina no omutumi mbua yen e na omagya bibia na
did no omunye na how no
sesi anu ya wa yesra ban ne mpanifo mo ekurum so omubon won omubua because wo come okola said wo mokola no won nya station and a number of cars e won say any aso see etu e ho akomokola akakolodu a in fact enfa asundwe mba and na debia yegusu ye kasa we nya first time adom mo makaya we am say teta be siri enya mboa bia
mo bi so nka bi yada se kan wadwedwumade no e wa Badum TV Nungwa station ya gbo awramu na awramu atumi say station ha ya empty ankasa enti wo mo hawa wo mo famu no on dia to dwa no papa mo akwa Badum TV
mejemoso ye de ha yen say me nsumi do mechanics no bai de ha yen say nsuo to ha Passing a current to me, my house.
How about a chapa?
A chachanqua. Almost so much on my 1 GSK. It's almost a year 2 city. First one day Wednesday, some year 2 city. And so try and me for passing as well. When you are quaquano and a coffee car.
Just can on the other.
Gentlemen, the woman there, there be a depression. I couldn't penny for no so. Until penny for so, yes, yes, soon to 1 among my. That's any panadol, so Papa can want to know how I drink or memo.
Your friend Edward Amata Yato. The woman say, you try ticket every day, AMA. Yes, 60 pesos. Like my 4 dear. Now, so Uber station here. Send a brand kind. In Soto, Madam, in fact, it's an eyesore. Passengers on to Mimbrim. On Mumbrim, so say, yeah, used to ties this new trot on the woman there. Now, tell the ones and the panatach, not a better Ucanum, and the Canum Ningabe Basa, Uko worship Zuko Huba, the same problem. Ya can't say, Momuye, on Befilia Maeke, Nahambaso. To the states and so to in so liberty my faso nako now so still omumba be ehwe now no ya in for omu no mubo bon kaka ye be ya asphalt nu e no mu we so entrance ase omu di kota kaka go be go amaye e na kaka sa kaka mu ye no scan no mu se na ye ntimi ye kasa GP out ye butu muska e fancy station ha ban egi ska ohun
ha dwen papa kan wadwen
oh no na me bra pen fa
ani yanku ye di modo so kan wadwen
me so me Fred ye chama be kan ye no ye station ye brepa passengers ni nya agya no omuma police for no omuba number omuchiom no magiska no mko no masa koda no masa ba beche enungwa police for nti amapa temane moto efo ni omufa passengers omuma kwa said the chairman medical care no hu kwa no ye brepa empty kan be sia no ye betwa take but ye nya passenger
na se bodwuma no gua na
egu no ye brepa ye
dwen papa
ube hu said the station here said the penny can sa
enti nungwa lorry station ene ya be ye utumo se wo mo problem ankasa papa memwa kwa baba Adum TV
mpacho me ye second trustee wa ha
yo na oha be na mo fa mu wo afo bi adikan
oha ni bi wo ho a cars ni bejeje ha no nso ana won afa passengers binsu wo ho a ha no nso se na gota motene ana nsu no to a ha no nso ye ha no mai poto na mi na gas no wo ba pra ha no maye efi so ye ya na yetua wonka no mo ni ade
Yada se kawadwe no call J.O. Mensa Enterprise kope vim mixture bi na fasiesie ho ma no evi sansanchire ne nko ana na eyede ema wo mo sanso na University of Education Winneba admission no koso distance admission no koso enti obatan odwumayeni opese oto onwomasu so na wode wani a kire ho 2C Mobile TV enso boa yem papa for wani a kire ho na emu 2C Mobile TV de phone na wa download the apps no na ne wani mu na yekọ be me na kawadwen yen
madwen boko ye drivers for about to abani bi but drivers for your blopa cause of a be police for new police for sprinters operation for pack be operation and so the aban shall had never for aban shall on boy aka what about to be pa and so ma say aban drivers for na aban and to shall on boy
na bibia you okay apart from there ye hu onungwa lorry station bibia you okay ma
oh fine me pay for one ka say we but say him na meka no and that was say the car na come dey bia by a bre e pa bia fa bia police o fa police
issue ni prosi no
we want post me job fa kon we one post kwan say that park make us your lances that's that I won boni pa ye won ye hwe and say that's
yada se kawadwen no nti enuane de post for no omanya wo mo ha dwen papa mo akwa abado ba Adum TV
me juso
yo na
me kitano boni bia but them say first no like my for be catch say omo my route nti station bia nya route numbers say wo free tema na bia wo lodu bus ya wo for bi na wasango but say no ya hanu madogon kwan na ko say eyi kwan bia obia nam so nti wo ye djuma kura ka say nam so no obia ba ba ye djuma wa ha nti yenso djuma no ya nya bi ena license so I see ye isu no enu so no hwese bia wa kaka be 40 years na say see ko for na ka to wo kon so a da ben ena wo be nya silence no ena sika no so adwuma no so agu ye nya bi
yene mbetra ha no pa mote ha sa
ye ti asa nti license ya di buy e ya tin so e be ha adwin ena afensu to levy ya di buy so enu so sabi ye na mo ha na wo ka se ya kwan to nka be na be ba dogon se oba be fa nti saska no ye se ye ntua no e de ye nti ase
no ano no papa ba ka wadwen na yenko ye Adum TV ni
me da se me de ne ha me kakra me ye mate ni na me to aba na ma me to aba fie ye lances ho because na na ye campaign about authority aba ka kire say lances na help kra lance car lances ye 10 million na help kra lances na ye sen ana esi ana me ti bibi wo care from see say DVL ni so or the lances for bi beba na
no minister no say ye hold on ti anya maso
and to say anya maso de na de nyame ase say or the no beba so de a na ye yanko school no so or the fine because electronics ni de enimu or the fine na say no car say elu play lances no kra enu 10 million yes so person lances na ba from kra almost 1 million na ye hwa no
no ka wadwedwumadie wa Adom TV so na obaba ka wadwe
so ne ha me wa station an say nsuo ta na ha nyina ya chaka sesi aka se nso mo wura inside nsuo ba kwa me kwa 550 anapa da so so me nti ye sro mo mbehwe station man na enko so maye nso ne ma adwen
ya da se papa ko adwen
madam pacho problem here em say mi bra penny no aka afa license no omu twemu a omu twemu license no enye no na be ma driving system no stable but ne ye ni ye madam mi wo sesi abifia shama na ebe we have a very big problem yeah overpass on the bridge over the delay over 2 hours asana we
traffic wo
madam ko sesi enye easy ye di mu 1 hour asana ye baiti ye jira no mu de na mi jira ho apa wa mcha so omum na to amani
e dey any problem no dey na cause sa traffic
because I had double road from here to here and ye nyina ye be wura tokro baako so ti ye here say ye overpass if you obey overpass no mpo no the toll be see ano we are going to pay
na hona anwumre what driving na to say
anwumre me say see akọ ho ano
aside traffic no sum no na light wo
oh lights are back on the road no so kakra
ya no dey hona ya kakra
but ye most important no traffic no
ya da say papa ka wadwen wa Adom TV
Pacho me kakra ne say nya bra pani eka ye no sa pepepe ye mu bi o ye rani ahyiama ye tu ko dimbe 1 hour 2 hours ne ye move ye mu ye kwan no na enim se o meye no ye overpass ba o nga ye eti sa to krokitiwa no na ye nyina ye kwurum ana kwanu so nya kura eba baby e fra baby waterways just a bia je se o car spring embu a we be se ana nungwa no so e gina no station ano so no enso to a nyina e poto ya run me ka na esi ono wonya nipa emfa ayi so utu ene wa utu so na ko gina no park a police be chiw eti ya bompa say abana bane de o meboa na onye no ntumi maintain station no na se dia ye mu bi ye adwuma floating cars no kwa na efa no na esu ye nya bi mfa
na sisi abam eti wadi empanifo lekman ne wana ye wa sade no ngwa lorry station bra na mo meboa wo mo officer mo wobi nam kwa ho no wo fa wobi so aba station inside enso so wanyo obi amfa nkonti sade ne o kan wo nyina beba kwa no ho ye be se obi abeba kwa no ho enti mo nyama wo mo station hamfuturo wa ha enso to aha ye chaka enti mo nyamfa ma wo mo aha na brema kwan kama dwedwumade na ye de brem no ye de ACA Fasidama JO Mensa Enterprise and so and University of Education Winneba distance admission e koso and 2C Mobile TV midi afia mankwa tamaklo na ene ya kama man no mirefinidi Fachame, jata, and a fair driver so Jesse and a day a buy. A few months quarter macula, the Munina say, a penny for animal cassa, so you don't must some marquai, the animal cassa, Montwaso, am I?